How's it going? You got another video back from Stargazer Productions. And of course, as I said before, I got the classic TV series Batmobile and Batman, which you just read right in front of you. Now, the funny thing is, you may notice what's different about this one. This one is actually the one that my fiance gave to me for like 2 years ago, Christmas, I believe. As you can tell how dusty and dirty this box is. Now, the one that I bought for myself is over here. As you see, it's an empty box now. So you're wondering, what happened to the car? Well, there it is. The classic TV series Batmobile and Batman, as you see right there, with Robin, is officially built, put together, and ready to go. So, me being the smart aleck that I am, I sent her a picture of just this. And she says, that better not be the one that I bought you. So, what did I do? Send her a picture of this. It's kind of weird when you look at it. But, yeah, what else are you going to do? So, now I have one for this gigantic shelf of cars that I have. And I forgot about this. Give me a minute, because this isn't working out for me. And we'll just put it over here. I forgot about this one too. Same car, same TV series, different model. I don't want to open this one just because... Oh wait, that one's not identical to this. Okay. But I didn't want to open it just because you never know how valuable this one or this one will be. But I wanted to keep one for myself. And yeah. So, there you have it. The 1/24 scale that I built. The 1/24 scale that my fiance got me. And the 1/64 scale that does not match these two cars. If you guys want to see more builds like this, drop a like, leave a comment, and subscribe. And also, we will be doing more whacked out videos, more crazy, stupid crap. And maybe I'll do a review of all the miniature ones behind. And maybe I'll even do a detailed, in-depth video of that if you want. So, on this note, we will see you later. Peace.